We're looking at a set of homemade hydraulic punches. Made a little mounting plate with holes in to put the punches in. Now, before I had this, when I had something like this shaft that's pressed into a bearing or this dowel that's pressed into a plate, I'd be looking for a screw like this that's the right size that I can use to punch it out with, or maybe a punch like this that I can hold there and kind of hold the whole thing steady in the hydraulic press while I try to punch it out. So this has solved my problem. And I'll show you, well, these are all different sizes. We can use the sizes right here, and that mounts right in the hydraulic press. Just slides onto here, clamps onto there. Now these pieces, there's a small screw here. Just loosen the screw, remove this one, and put one of the other ones in from the set. Now those are all made from water hardening drill rods, so they're all very hard and very tough. And it's worked fine for me. You can make those different lengths. They don't have to be short like I have. They could be longer. If you'd like to be notified of other new modifications, please click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.